stream yesterday on Twitch.
Okay.
So I think this is a battle where I won.
Right.
This is where we got Shiny Hawlucha.
Okay, this guy better than have a Charizard.
Hawlucha versus Zygarde. This is fine.
Okay. I think this is fine.
Zygarde is a big bulky Pokemon. We got Flying Press. Zygarde.
Could be outrage and shield.
This outrage's gonna hurt, so I'm gonna shield this.
Okay, outrage.
Go for another Flying Press.
That was cool.
He respects the Flying Press. Look at that.
Just to prove.
Okay, outrage. I wasn't sure if I can survive this. So let's shield just in case.
Like me.
Alright, outrage number 2. We're gonna Flying Press again.
Just like this. Just like this.
Zygarde shielding Flying Press. We love to see it, man. Oh, and I beat him to the move. Look at this. Want to see his?
They lose CMP. They wanted to CMP me. Okay. They're gonna die to this.
Wow.
Yeah, Hawlucha beat.
Sad soul.
And now he's got a Komomo.
So
We're gonna get there. We got the fly. We got the aerial ass. Aerial ass coming through. Hawlucha too strong.
no sad soul.
Whack. That is major
Okay.
damage. Hey, look,
Oh, that's
CMP
great.
tied.
CMP'd me too.
Look at that. I just CMP tied on the upper hand. He thinks he has the upper hand, but he doesn't know. He doesn't know. Now we're bringing Dusk Noir, farm down. Ooh, he's got Empoleon on the back. Okay, this is fine. Big man Blastoise versus Empoleon. Alright, let's go.
No.
Drill Peck coming through. We tank it like a boss.
shots.
This is where Shadow Blastoise. We're gonna farm up to back-to-back Hydro Cannons. Throw the first.
No.
Those gas prices, $3.59. Alright, this Empoleon knows he can survive. He throws the Drill Peck. Totally fine. Throw the Drill Peck here. Remember, we have a really healthy Dust Noir in the back, Shadow Dust Noir, so we're gonna throw another Hydro Cannon.
Stuck up on the station. Oh.
It's Empoleon, and we're gonna try and see. Oh, there we go. Kill the Empoleon. See, Shadow Punch coming through.
Oh, I know.
Whack. And now we got this little healthy combo in the back. 1, 2. Oh, he's gonna throw his move. No big deal. It's probably playing in scales. It's gonna KO us, but that's okay.
No. Sad.
We're just gonna roll out now. Woo! Blastoise! There you go, guys. Hawlucha and the Ultra League. Get there.
Sad. So
That little spice in your arsenal.
You lost to Hawlucha. Hawlucha getting strong, baby. Let's go, baby.